Ay, grabe pala yung parang dito.
Yes, Droselati.
Drosela, okay. Wala. Ang lalaki oh.
No, this close safe.
Oh, expensive for me. Hi guys, good morning. Today is my second day here in Bali, Indonesia. So, ang activity na gagawin ko today is the water rafting. So, yung Red Paddle Adventure ay located siya here at Ubud. Malapit lang siya dito sa hostel na pinag-stayan ko here at Ubud. So, magbubuk lang ako ng Gojek motorcycle. Yeah, malapit lang siya oh. Mga 11 minutes away. Ang price niya is 12,500. Yan. So, let's see kung anong ma-experience natin there. Kasi this is going to be a fun adventure. Nandito ko ngayon sa ating hostel. And here yung pool nila sa ibaba. Parang may ginagawang construction yan. And ito yung view ng... Yan. Nasa third floor ako eh. So, let's go na. Nag-book ako ng Gojek motorcycle. Sana mag-enjoy tayo doon. Hindi maganda ang panahon ngayon eh. Pero think positive lang. Makulimlim ang panahon. Yeah. So ito yung ang cute ng area dito oh. Ayun. Tapos meron silang fish pond. Yeah. Ang nice of place. Hold on. Ayan. Ayan siya. Medyo papasok siya eh. Tapos marami ding hostel dito sa paligid. Ayan. Tapos pwede kang mag-rent ng mga motorcycle. Ito parang feeling ko yung mga naka-park dito, mga naka-check-in yan dito sa mga hotel here. Tapos malapit lang din ako dito sa street market. Etong street yan, puro store yan sila. Etong doon street na yan. Hanggang doon, ayan, puro siya mga souvenir shops. Ayan, like that. Asan na ba yung rider? Makulimlim oh. Sana hindi bumuhos ang ulan. Kasi ano pa naman yan eh, river rafting. Water rafting sa river. So, let's see. Ayan, tumatawag na yung Grab. Hello? I'm here at the... Do you know the Mart or Kmart? Ay, okay. But actually, I'm on the pick-up point. Does it fit you?
Yeah, it's
Okay, okay.
helmet.
Huh?
Helmet.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you go?
Red paddle.
Uh,
The red paddle rafting?
rafting.
Rafting, yes. Guys, sobrang kulimlim. Sana naman di ulan. Sana di ulan. Pero ano kasi nasa 75% chance of rain. Pag sinaswerte ka nga naman. And waiting positive. Siguro hindi siya tutuloy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, here na siya guys. Let's see. Hala, meron sila mga bag. Dapat pala nagdala ko ng bag.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome to Metro Miss.
Can you check over there for the book?
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Sorry, how many person with you?
One person.
One person. So you already have a booking before?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. For minimum capacity on the wrap is 4 people,
4 people.
a maximum 6 people. So should you waiting
I'll
moment?
wait, okay.
Or then 25 or 30 minutes again?
Okay,
They
it's
will
okay.
come.
Yeah.
So before you waiting, could you help me to fill our form? Please?
Okay.
Just put your name, country, mobile telephone, and put your sign 1, 2, and 3. Please. Thank
Yeah,
you.
here.
And please leave it with you. We have a one coupon. So your coupon you can change after free shopping in our restaurant, and you will get a free shopping for you.
Okay. So this is, okay, for drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry for waiting. Yeah.
Okay. I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, I think
Yeah.
because you feel like
Yeah.
magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga po.
Okay, this one welcome to you.
Okay. Thank you. Is this a tea?
Yes, Drosela tea.
Drosela. Okay,
Yes,
citronella.
Drosela with ginger and lemongrass.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat. Ayan, meron silang pa welcome drink here. Ayan. Tapos meron silang binigay na voucher. Free drinks daw ito. Coupon valid only on activities. Pagkatapos po ng rafting activities. Ayan. So, aantayin ko lang yung mga kasabay ko sa rafting. Ayan, tawag na tayo guys. Ayan, sila yung mga kasama ko sa tour. Bali, 4 kami. Here. Morning. Oh, indeed. Yan, so meron silang provided guys ng locker. Ayan, para sa mga gamit. Ay, ganit. Okay, so sila yung kasamang team. Pwede. Ayan, so ito yung aming sasakyan here. Bakulin mo yun, pero maano. Parang tingin ko din naman yung Sina lang.
집에서 수동이는
Lapit na kami guys. Ayun na yung river. Ay, grabe pala yung parang dito. So ayun guys, binubombahan na. Ito na yung river. Wow, grabe. Ang daming flow. Binubombahan ni Kuya para gas. Chems. medyo malakas yung alon mo. Kasi umuulan eh. Sorry, ara sa shop yun. Sagot lang sa akin. You're proud? I'm so proud. Ganda to. Ganda to. Good luck to us.
Come to the Ayung River, yeah? The river named Ayung.
Ayun.
Okay, the river 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer, 2 hours in the river. Okay, 12 kilometer to dig one big waterfall to bring the rest area. Okay, rest area there will be a drink seller of specially something to drink for you, like coconut, bintang, water, Sprite, cola. Don't worry, don't be money, no, you can pay later. Everything.
Ah, okay. That's
Okay,
good. Okay.
like this. Bro.
Oh my God. Oh my Laro! Laro sa ko. Nay! Oh my God! Hello, hello, hello. Oh my God. Ilaw din eh. Ano?
Wow, 이쁘다. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
Oh my God! Ayan, balik na kami guys doon sa... Grabe yung falls oh. So guys, meron daw stop over here. No, water.
Hello.
Ayan, so meron sila binibenta mga cards. Ayan, bigyan nila. Tapos meron din sila parang mga chips doon, tapos noodles. Tapos parang piling ko may sandwich din na topping. So ito yung place. Meron doon falls. Actually, ang daming falls dito. Ayan. Feeling ko naman safe yung ano, yung pinaka rafting. Kaya lang bawal ang bag. So let's go nga ito. Ayan, tapos na kami guys. Ito na yung pinaka nasa ano rin siya, 2 hour. Let's go na upstairs. Yes. Grabe. Ano talaga? Basa akong basa. So another hike. Super hike. Rafting. Talaga naman. Sabi ni Kuya, this is 100 meters. Oh. Pero worth it naman kasi this is nature.
Sige, tara sa lori pa pa, tara sa lori.
Kasi sabi nila, natures heal us. Ayan, so meron silang free food here. Ayan, kung gusto mo palang kunin yung photos, ayan dito siya. Pero may bayad siya 400. Here, ayan. Tapos may kasamang videos din. Tapos included na rin here yung kanilang food. So, hanap mo tayo ng chair here. So meron silang soup here. Chicken. Ayan, included na daw yan. Where's the rice? Ayan, meron silang rice. Ayaw naman yun. So meron silang parang chop suey yata. Ito ba para ba itong chicken na... Parang pinig ko masarap to. And this one, this is also chicken. I think chicken din siya. Ayan, so ito na guys yung ating food. Ayan, so yung chicken. Puro chicken, no? Tapos nasi goreng. And also rice. Tapos ayan yung view natin here. Included na yung food. Okay, enjoy. You don't get a soup?
Is it vegetable?
This one. This one?
No, in the soup.
I think so.
Maybe I put one.
Yeah, I think it's vegetable.
Thank you. The noodles sound delicious.
Yeah. It's tofu.
Oh,
It's tofu.
that's good. I love that.
Yeah. You already tried a lot of food here in Bali. Yeah. What's your favorite one? So I can try because I don't try a lot already.
I only tried
What do you recommend?
mee goreng and nasi goreng.
Yeah. This one is the goreng one. Yeah.
I think it's my favorite. But that's only, yeah, I only tried this.
I'm looking forward to try their something like with soup.
Oh,
Oh yeah, soup.
yesterday I wanted to try the,
Oh, you tried that?
the satay.
Satay.
Yes,
Ah, yeah.
but they didn't.
Satay is
have
a barbecue.
it.
Then I will try that.
I wanted to try, but they didn't have it. Like, it was sold out,
The grilled. Is it grilled?
I think.
Because it's barbecue, so it should be grilled. Yeah.
I don't know if it's spicy.
You don't like spicy.
It depends. How?
It depends.
Yeah. If it's too spicy. Like, I went to China and sometimes it was too
Yeah,
spicy.
spicy.
So what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I went to Harlem. Is that Harlem? The one with the swing,
Ah,
and the zip line. Yeah.
was it good?
Long waiting time.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you do the swing?
Yeah, I did the swing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it scary?
At the first swing it's scary, but you get over it. Yeah. It's 20 push.
Okay.
Yeah, included 20 push. If you want to someone take a video and photo of you, they will charge. Yeah, they will charge
yeah.
additional. Yeah.
So,
Also the
touristic.
dress, they also dress additional for dress.
Oh,
Uh,
did you take?
yeah,
Okay.
because I already there, so I should be. Yeah, so we are now, guys, here at the Pura Tirtha Temple. Yeah. So nag-Gojek lang ako papunta here. Ang pamasahe ko from from Ubud papunta rito is nasa 50. So feeling ko kailangan natin magbayad ng ticket. For one person.
For 1%. 75. Bagian biku di tengah nang dua ya.
Thank you. Hello. From Philippines. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Charot. Philippine beautiful. MN. Charot. Ayan, oh wow. Look at that. Yung Indonesia, ang hilig nila sa mga ano, no? Parang kahit saan ka tumingin, puro temples. Ayan. So, ang sabi nila, ito daw pura Tirtha Temple is a 10th century Balinese Hindu water temple.
等一下，在外面那边，在
So, meron din
停车
sa...
场
okay. So, parang... Okay. Attention, it's prohibited to enter without decent dress. Wear a short or long pants for women, and women with a long hair, you have to tie your hair to stay away during your period. So, eto dito, pupunta tayo dito. Kailangan pala natin magsuot ng something.
Do you know how to put it?
I don't know. Can you?
Where are you from?
Philippines?
Sorry, yeah. What is your plan inside? Just walk around?
Huh?
Just walk around or you want to do the water purification?
Just walking around. For water purification.
Or you
Yeah.
want to dip into the hot water?
Maybe. Is that there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Maybe you needed photograph when you were in the water?
Okay. Yeah, I will think later. Thank you. Ayan, so pinagsuot tayo nitong ano, sarong. Ayan, you can see. Ayan, this is sarong. Ayan, so ito.
And you can, and I'll follow you.
Ayan, people are lining here. Ayan, so parang meron kasing photo spot. Okay, so ito na siya. Yeah, so sabi daw nila, pag nag-bath ka daw dyan, parang napi-purifier or nalilinis yung soul mo. Yeah. So kailangan pa natin maglinis ng soul. Ayan.
Around the world.
Oh, meron pa here. Yeah, so this bath is for body purification. To cleanse your soul. Ang iyong buddhi. Ang paglinis ng iyong buddhi.
जो अपर पार्ट थोड़ा बल्कि हो जा रहा है और नीचे
Yeah, so yun nga yung sabi nila. Kung gusto mo daw ma-purify or malinis, ma-cleanse yung iyong soul, pwede ka daw mag-bath dyan. Yun ang paniniwala nila. Na malilinis yung soul.
Oh, that dish is
Soul? What kind of soul?
Pause ka na doon, ah? Oo. Sama. Simana. Hindi na.
Okay. This is the holy. Oh my God, what is that? Nakikita niyo ba guys? Ayun oh.
Kemarin ambil di mana kan?
Holy water. Parang may something siya na binubuga dun sa tubig. Itim. For praying only. Okay. Anong meron dito? Parang wala na yan. Parang dead. Ah, ito na yung dead niya. So we should go back na. So parang yung pinaka main attraction lang talaga nila is yung nandun sa holy water na pwede kang mag-bath. Ah, okay. Parang sa the rest, parang temple na lang siya. Ayan, so here naman yung parang kung gusto mo magpakain na koi fish. Grabe na laki. Ang lalaki oh. Ang lulusog. Ito yung ano yan, more supply ng food every day. Grabe ang lulusog nila. Ay, isa parang may naligaw na tilapia. Ano? May naligaw na tilapia. Ayan, grabe ang lulusog nila. Ang tataba. Kasi nga maraming tourist, maraming nagpapakain. Kaya laging busog. Ayan, ang tataba oh, grabe. Nakakatuwa. Ang lulusog. Kaya, so yun lang siya. Yun yung pinaka-area niya. Ito talaga yung pinaka spot na ano niya, attraction. Yung holy water nila na pwede kang mag-bath para ma-cleanse yung soul. Kaya, so siguro guys, balik na ako ng Ubud. Kasi mamaya pupunta ako ng night food market. Oh, what's that? Look at this. What kind of fruit is this? Ang laki oh. Para siyang buko. It's like coconut, but it's not coconut. Ayan. So, dito daw ang exit. Exit here. Ah, okay.
Du con, lắp ngân tay cái đài.
ก็ไม่เป็นไร
200 baht.
Ano ba yun? Charis. Akala ko Thailander na naman. Ayan. So, this is the area na to. Yung exit niya. Marami silang souvenirs na binibenta ko. Pero piling ko medyo mahal dito. Kasi nga nasa Pura Third Temple siya.
100 adalah 100. Kam, dok magnet kam, bracelet 10,000 adalah.
Hmm.
50,000 Come here. Hey, where you from? Where you from?
Philippine.
This maganda, this low.
Ah,
Black one. Nice. It's good, flossy.
Crosse. Yeah.
Yes. Short, this short? You want short?
Ah, this one is short.
Short. This long, nice.
Ah, this one. How much short?
Short, dada.
How much is for short?
Dada. 300,000.
Oh, you said this 150.
Ah, 15. No, this and this 15.
Ah, no,
I
no,
do.
no, no.
This closer.
Oh,
15.
expensive for me.
15.
Ah.
This and then 15.
I was
no,
looking here, you said 50.
50. What?
I don't want, no money.
200, yeah.
No money.
200 pay you,
I
yeah.
only,
200.
I only have 50.
Okay, the long 200 pay.
No. I only have 50.
15 not get.
Next
Aduh,
time na.
Closer.
Yeah, next time
No,
na.
no, 50 no. This
Yeah,
cotton.
I thought this one.
This cotton not get 50.
But I
150. Yeah. Okay, okay, pay you. Okay, 100 pay. 100. Hey,
Yeah. It's okay, no. Thank you.
okay, okay, 80 eh. Okay, 50 or 50?
50. 50?
Jangan sang ganyan tahu kan.
50 lah.
70 las ka.
60 lah.
70.
Ah, 60 na. You said 50 ah.
65. Ano mo kung doon UN?
Oh.
65 na lang.
How much bag?
Oh, bag. Nine na bag.
Oh,
Bag, this tomat bag.
how much bag?
Sa close, tomatis. 600,000. Tomatis.
Tomatis. And then you have this one simple one.
Oh, simple net. Ano, simple. This 400.
Ah, 400. Oh.
Simple this year. 400,000.
How much?
400. This
400
close.
is... Ah,
Na
this-
close.
Ah,
Na
you-
machine.
but it is black ni.
Oh, black. Black. Simple.
Only black. No black? You don't have black?
No, black. No.
Only brown. It's too, nadumihin. How much?
Beautiful you.
Yeah, I know. Charis.
Kasi katawa mo doon.
Pare. How much ni last price?
400. Okay, for you 350. For you, ano, Philippine.
Very mura.
No.
Good.
Only this one.
Now this.
Ay, only this.
Nana. Come here. No, dollar. Okay, you want? You check this. This what color?
How much for this? How much? Huh? Rupiah, how much?
Yeah.
How much?
200. Yeah,
Oh,
because and this cheaper smaller. How much for madam? This handmade is double negotiate. How much you tell me? How much this black color nasro?
Cannot 100?
I do not enough for buy work 100. This double handmade this one. Yeah. This red the same. This opal, this bigger. Yeah, 1 minute. At it. No, okay.
That's expensive.
Not expensive because my customer here cheaper, yeah. Yeah, very nice. It's double. For you good. Very strong. Yeah, 200 because big is
120 lang. That's all I can.
Yeah, 150 good for you.
120.
Yeah, come.
That's all 120 na. That's
What?
no. One. No man. 120.
Yeah.
Okay. No money na. Thank you.
Hello. Correct.
Ang dami nagpapalibot ng burador. Burador. Masyadong probinsya, burador talaga. Hindi ko pwedeng kahit. Yeah, there's a lot of people, children, flying their kites. Burador. Saranggola.